Hi, today I'm going to talk about on how to do a job card in Real accounting software. First of all, go to transaction, job card management. Before going to jobs, you have to create job statuses. For example, now I'm going to create here just one. For example, I'll just create here one. I'll type here delivered and I'll select a color for this delivered. And after that, what you have to do is go to transaction, job card, jobs, and here you'll get all the list of job cards if you have done any before. And if you are going to create new, you can click here new job, and you have to enter here the customer number and the customer details. Here you have to enter the technician, and after that, if you want to enter a brand, you can here enter a brand. So after entering it, click enter, and here you'll get all the list of brands that were created before. If you want to create now, you just need to enter and click save, and here you can enter the model of that, and if there is, you can enter the IMEI number, the complaint, and here you have just need to enter the year, select the salesman here, and after that the job status you can select here, and after that you just need to save. Thank you.